Declaration of Helsinki, adopted in June 1964, has undergone six revisions to clarification. First significant effort by medical community to regulate research. Prior to Nuremberg Code, only specific countries had national policies. For example, Germany. Form basis of most subsequent document. Introduction. What is Declaration of Helsinki? Set of ethical principles developed by WMA for medicinal community human experimentation, followed Nuremberg Code 1947, regarded as cornerstone document of human research ethics, included within clinical trial protocol. Declaration of Helsinki. In 1961, public opinion around the world was shocked by the thalidomide scandal. 200 children died and 10,000 children were seriously disabled. Government authorities were then required to take action and make regulatory agreement to oversee the testing of new medicine. In 1964, the World Medicinal Association developed and indeed continues to review and adapt the Declaration of Helsinki as a guide for performing research in human beings. The basic principle of Helsinki is the conform to accepted significant principles, design formulated in experimental protocol, review by IEC, conducted by qualified and trained person, importance in proportion to inherent risk, assessment of risk versus benefit, safeguard subject integrity, abstain unless hazards are predictable, preserve accuracy when publishing, adequately inform or right to withdraw, obtain true informed consent in writing. Scope. Develop trained principle. First state is stated in Nuremberg Code, linked to Declaration of Geneva in 1948. Statement of Physician Ethical Duties. DOS specifically address clinical research. Relax need for IC which Nuremberg Code deemed absolutely essential. Ethical principle of research. Hippocrates was the first physician to define the ethical principle of research in humans. The principles are still valid today. Anatomy to respect the autonomy of the participant or of their respected representative. Beneficence to act always in the best interest of the participant. Non-maleficence to do as little harm as possible to the participant. Justice to act fairly to all. Basic principle for all medical research. It is the duty of physician in medical research to protect the life, health, privacy and dignity of the human subject. Medical research involving human subject must conform to generally accepted scientifically principle, be based on a thorough knowledge of the scientific literature, other relevant source of the information, and on adequate laboratory and where appropriate animal experimentation. Appropriate caution must be exercised in the conduct of research which may affect the environment and the welfare of animal used for research must be respected. Thank you.